This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading the file into Edison and checking sample rate and channels so processing matches your project. Once done, normalize to around -0. 1 dB to reveal quieter noise without clipping. Make a careful selection of the noisy portion. Short, representative noise works best, because accurate selection determines the noise profile you'll capture next. Don't waste time on global tweaks yet. Focus now on isolating the noise you want Edison to learn. With the noisy sample selected, click Acquire Noise Profile so Edison learns the unwanted signature. Shorter samples of consistent hiss or hum work best. Then open Noise Reduction, paste the profile, and set reduction percentage and threshold to balance removal versus artifacting. Preview in a loop while tweaking attack, release, and frequency smoothing to avoid musical degradation. Make iterative small changes. Aggressive settings create metallic or underwater sounds, so back off until the material sounds. Once happy, render the processed clip and compare a /B with the original to ensure clarity without artifacts. If you change bit depth, apply proper dithering. Otherwise, you may introduce quantization noise. Use a gentle EQ to restore any lost warmth or presence after noise reduction. If you hear warbling or musical artifacts, reduce the noise reduction amount or switch to spectral editing for frequency-specific removal. This troubleshooting step fixes most issues without redoing the entire process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.